Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the CBSE Information Technology Code 402 syllabus for class 9th. So CBSE has introduced this subject as a skill-based learning subject. Why? Because skills are very important in our life. We all need to develop our overall skills to be successful in our personal and professional life. So skill-based learning is about planning, implementing and analyzing skills gained through knowledge-based learning methods. The idea behind this innovative and most important in-demand learning method is to develop learners into independent thinkers and prepare them for the challenges in future. So when we talk about our skills, because in future we all are studying to get a good job and get settled in a very good organization. So when you are going to organization, क्या होता है वहां पे जब भी आप किसी organization पे जाते हैं इंटरव्यू देने, तो वो आपसे कभी भी ये नहीं पूछते that you have to कि आप पाइथागोरस थ्योरम सॉल्व करके दिखाइए या फिर आप इस थ्योरी को प्रूव करके दिखाइए. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, दैट दे आर गोइंग टू जज इज योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. आप अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं, आप किस तरीके से बोलते हैं वहां पर जाके, किस तरीके से आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं, राइट. सो दैट इज वाई सीबीएसई ने ये स्किल बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया है जो आपको हेल्प करेगा आपकी ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप करने में. अब अगर हम स्किल की बात करते हैं, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट स्किल हेल्प्स अस इन लर्निंग, in gaining knowledge, in becoming competent with the changing scenario. It helps us to grow, and also the advanced training is also involved when I talk about the skill based education. Now let us come to the syllabus. अब जो हमारा syllabus है information technology, it is again divided into two parts. 50 marks is for theory and 50 marks is for practical. So जो भी आपका बोर्ड का एग्जाम होगा that will carry 50 marks and the rest of the marks will be given for the practical exam, that is again carrying 50 marks. So now if we talk about theory, the theory is divided into two parts. One is basics that we are going to cover in class 9, that is your current class. इसके बाद intermediate is also there that we are going to cover in class 10. Now there is most important thing, that is a practical also, because यहाँ पे हमारे पास 50 marks का theory है और 50 marks का आपका practical है, right. So in practical you have to do the project work that will be assigned to you, then there will be viva that will be based on your project and your practical file as only, and then practical file you have to properly maintain the report and the entire portfolio which will be given to you, and also we will be doing the lab activities time to time so that you can improve your overall ICT skills. Now class 9 IT book is divided into two parts. Part A is your employability skills and part B है आपका vocational skills. Employability skills से हम पढ़ेंगे communication skills, we'll be discussing self-management skills, entrepreneurship skills, green skills, whereas part B is vocational skills, that is entirely ICT. Now let us discuss in detail syllabus according to session 2020-21. So we have part A जिसमें हमारे पास है communication skills, self management skills, ICT skills, entrepreneurial skills and green skills. ये जो आपके 5 यूनिट है that comprise of 10 marks out of 50 theory marks in the board examination, also in class 10th. So आपके annual exam में ये जो 5 units हैं इसके जो question आएंगे that will be of 10 marks. The weightage will be 10 marks from these 5 chapters. The part B, that is most important part because that is the main ICT skills where you will be learning about the different ICT skills, and that consists of introduction to IT industry, data entry and keyboarding skills, digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet and digital presentation, that is your PowerPoint. और ये आपका कैरी करेगा 40 मार्क्स आपके एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन में. Then we have the practical work that is for 35 marks and the project work 15 marks, right. अब जो आपका practical work है that is also again subdivided into practical examination जो आपका होगा 50 marks का, then you will be having the written test of 10 marks and then viva was of 10 marks. ऐसे ही project में भी आपका जो file होगी that will carry 10 marks and viva will carry 5 marks, and your viva is always from your theory that you have done and also from the project that you have made. Let us discuss the chapters in detail according to the KIPS book. I have taken the index from the KIPS publication book. You can use any other book. Even the CBSE has its book that is available on the CBSE academic website. You can also use that book. So I am not vouching for any particular book, but this KIPS publication book has a very good content. So we can go for this book. So in unit 1 we will be studying about the communication cycle, methods of communication, various perspectives which are important in communication, and basic writing skills. Then in self-management skills we will learn about the importance of self-management and how to build self-confidence. We will be having the ICT skills जहाँ पे हम introduction पढ़ेंगे computer system के बारे में, what are the peripheral devices. We will also discuss the operating system, basic computer operations, internet, email and social. इसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स के बारे में. देयर वी विल लर्न अबाउट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. Then we will also discuss the green skills. We will study about the importance of green economy, environment protection and conservation. इसके बाद ये था हमारा employability skills. Now coming to the vocational skills. वोकेशनल स्किल्स में हम सबसे पहले करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन टू आईटी इंडस्ट्री. इसके बाद विल बी स्टडिंग डेटा एंट्री एंड टाइपिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. बेसिकली दिस चैप्टर विल हेल्प यू टू इंक्रीज योर टाइपिंग स्पीड. उसके बाद हम देंगे डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन आई नीड टू से दैट MS वर्ड. So we will be learning about the MS Word, how to edit the document and format the document in MS Word, how to create tables and working with tables, how to use mail merge and how to print the documents. Then we will also discuss or study about electronic spreadsheet, that is my MS Excel. MS Excel के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे introduction of the spreadsheets, कैसे हम डेटा को एडिट कर सकते हैं, कैसे फॉर्मेट कर सकते हैं, how we will be using cell reference and charts in the spreadsheet. उसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में, wherein we will be discussing introduction to presentation software, that is my MS PowerPoint. Creating a presentation, working with slides, using tables in the presentation, कैसे हम टेबल यूज कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम इमेजेस डाल सकते हैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में, and working with a slide master. Then at the end we will also discuss about the sample papers and the project work. So the videos that I will be uploading on this channel will be the topics that we have just discussed here. So you can keep on watching so that you get regular updates. Okay, so after discussing the syllabus and the division of the chapters, now let us discuss about the question paper format. When you will be giving your board examination question in class 10, again there is a predefined pattern for the क्वेश्चन पेपर. यहाँ पे हमारे पास होंगे 31 क्वेश्चंस, आउट ऑफ विच द कैंडिडेट नीड्स टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 23 क्वेश्चंस. सो आपके पास टोटल होंगे 31 क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जामिनेशन में, जिसमें से 23 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू attempt. Now your question paper will be divided into two sections, section A and section B. Section A में हमारे पास होंगे 1 mark question, 2 mark question and 3 mark question. And section B we will be having 5 mark question, that will be the long answer question basically. तो जो आपका सबसे पहला question, that the पहला part होगा section A में, it will be having MCQ, it can have MCQ, fill in the blanks, direct question. So it will be having 1 mark 10 question. There will be 12 questions and out of them you have to attempt any 10. Similarly then you will be having 2 mark question. 2 mark question again हमारे पास 7 questions होंगे, जिसमें से आपको कोई भी 5 question attempt करने होंगे. Again उसके बाद हमारे पास होंगे 3 mark question. 3 mark question में भी आपके पास 7 questions होंगे. Out of them you have to attempt any 5 question. And now coming to section B. So section B will be having 5 questions of 5 mark each, जिसमें से आपको कोई भी 3 questions attempt करने हैं. So you have seen you have a choice of questions to be attempted. So it will not be very difficult to attempt the paper, right? So this is all about the question paper format. So soon we will also be uploading the videos related to the content of your syllabus. So you can keep watching and subscribe for regular updates. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.